You ever see a car and just know like instantly that it was not made for you? Like no way you will be caught dead in it. Well, today we're talking about 5 cars that scream girly. From bubble-shaped disasters to rolling makeup bags. And trust me, once you see number 1, you will never unsee it. Let's go. Number 5. The Volkswagen Beetle. The new model. Classic, iconic, Barbie coded. The Volkswagen Beetle is literally the car equivalent of a pumpkin spice latte. Cute, fun, and usually driven by someone named Jessica who loves Sprunge. When Volkswagen re-released it in the late 90s with those round headlights and flower holder inside, oh, they knew what they were doing. One proof? Ask yourself this. When was the last time you saw a dude willingly drive one? Exactly. Number 4. The Nissan Mikra. Tiny, round, it looks like it was designed by someone who exclusively doodles in pink gel pen. The Nissan Mikra is what happens when a car designer says, let's make something adorable but also completely powerless. Like, this thing struggles to overtake a cyclist. And the color options? Pastel City. Great car for running errands, not great for street cred. Number 3. Fiat 500. Oh, you thought I was gonna leave this one out? Nah. The Fiat 500 is the car version of an influencer who only drinks oat milk cappuccinos. It's cute, it's bubbly, and it looks like it was specifically built for squeezing into tiny parking spots outside nail salons. Fiat even made a special edition called the 500C Gucci edition, which is literally Gucci branded. If that's not the most girl-coded thing ever, I don't know what is. Number 2. The Mazda MX-5 Miata. Oh, this one is controversial, but hear me out. The Miata is a sports car, yes, but it's also small, adorable, and just a little too friendly looking. Like real sports cars have aggression, sharp lines, angry headlights, big power. The Miata is giving happy-go-lucky hairdresser who just made partner at a salon. Fun to drive? Absolutely, but intimidating? Not even a little. Number 1. The smart car. And here it is, the most girly car ever made. The smart car looks like someone took a real car, hit copy-paste, and then scaled it down in Photoshop. It's tiny, it's bibbly, and it's literally shorter than some SUVs' hoods. Like, I respect the eco-friendliness. I do, but you can't tell me this thing doesn't look like it belongs in a Polly Pocket playset. Also, 0 to 60, more like eventually. Alright, did I roast your car? Are you offended? Or did I miss a car that deserves the girly crown? Drop a comment below and tell me what you think is the girliest car ever. Oh, and if you drive one of these, no shame. Confidence is key. Hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.